Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 10 math. You can find all the lessons on students.com. Email address and password is provided by the administrator. And you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 10 math. There you can find a list of the chapters we going to start with the chapter area and parameter. The lessons we're going to cover from the chapter are parameter, area of rectangles and squares, area of trapezoids, area of parallelograms and triangles, and then area of trapezoids. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Okay, here I'm on grade 10 math. The chapter we're going to start with is area and parameter. Let's start with the first lesson, that is parameter. Okay, what is parameter? You need to calculate the parameter of the triangle. So whenever we have to calculate the parameter, that parameter means you need to add all these side lengths, right? Just add the side lengths. They are 17.8, 17.8, and 17.8. So simply add them all, that is 17.8 plus 17.8 plus 17.8. So the correct option is 53.4. That means the parameter of the triangle is 53.4. So whatever shape it is, you have to add all the side lengths for the parameter. Got it? So the correct option is 53.4. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. What is the parameter of the parallelogram? You are given a parallelogram, you need to calculate the parameter of the parallelogram. So how do we calculate? We are given the parallelogram, we need to add all the side lengths for the parallelogram. So let's just add, right? Parallelogram has opposite sides equal in length. So that is 19. This is 19. This is 1. This is 1. So that is 19 plus 19 plus 1 plus 1. So that 20 plus 20 equals 40. So the correct option is 40. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 40. What is the parameter which is the correct option? So just add all these side lengths, right? 17.8 plus 17.8 and plus 17.8. So I think that's the one we just did on the tutorial, so which is the correct option. Yes, the correct option is 53.4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, what is the parameter? You are given a rectangle, you need to calculate the parameter of the rectangle. So let's just calculate, right? You need to add all these elements, that is 32.2 plus 32 point plus 34.7. So let's just add, right? We just have to add them. The correct option is 133.8. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? That is 133.8. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the parameter of the square? You need to add all the side lengths. So which is the correct option? If the correct option is 96, option number 1 is the correct option. What is the parameter? So you need to add all the side lengths, right? So let's just add what the parameter they are. That is 23.9 plus 23.9 plus 23.9, and the last one is 26.7. Let me just add. That is 23.9 plus 23.9 plus 23.9 plus 26.7. That is 98.4. So the parameter for the given one is 9. Got it? The correct option is 98.4. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? What is the parameter which is the correct option? Yes, 35. It is option number is the correct option, right? Okay, what is the parameter of the square? So, which is the correct option? Yes, that is 68. Option number one is the correct option. What is the parameter of the rectangle? Which is the correct option? Yes, option number one is the correct option. That is 60, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. That is area of triangles and squares. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, let's just start with an example. What is the area of square? So square has all four sides equal in length, right? So when working on the area of the square, you have to do the area of the square is 4 times side because all the side lengths are exactly equal. So that is 4 times 6 equals 24. So the correct one is 24 yards square, right? The correct option is 24, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Let's see how do we calculate the area of rectangles and squares. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, what is the area you are given a rectangle? Area of rectangle is length time width, right? Whenever you have to calculate the area of rectangle, keep this very important thing in your mind. You have to do length time width. So you have to do 9 times 7, 9 times 7 is 63 meters square. The correct 63. Yes, the correct option is the second one, that is 63 square meter. Got it? Okay, the next one is what is the area of the square? So which is the correct option? Yes, you have to do 4 times 8 because square has all four sides equal in length. So 4 times 8 is 32. That would be 32. 4 times, oh sorry, side times side. Area of square is side times side. You have to do 8 times 8. The correct option is 64 square kilometer. Option number 3 is the correct option. What is the area of the square? So you have to side times side, right? That would be 100 square yards. The correct option is option number 2. That is 100 square yards. Yes, 16. It is the correct option is 16. Option number 1 is the correct option. Yes, you have to do side times side. So that is 4 times 4 makes 16. That is 16 square kilometers. Option number one is the correct option. Got it. What is the area which is the correct option? Yes, 80. Then the correct option is 80. Option number two is the correct option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is area of parallelograms and triangle. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, what is the area? So whenever we have to calculate the area of parallelogram, we have to do area equals base times height. You are given the base that is 2 and you are given the height that is 4. You have to do base times height. You have to be 2 times 4 equals 8. 'Okay, let's just start with the test questions. You have to keep these formulas in your mind. They are very helpful. What is the area of the shaded region? You need to calculate the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is half times base times height. That is 1 over 2. Base is 7. Height is 7.1. Right? Is hold on. Let me just solve. 7 times 7.1. 49.5 divided by 2. That is 24.85. Option number one is the correct option. Got it. So the formula to calculate the area of the triangle is a half of base of half times base times height. The correct option is 24.85. Option number one is the correct option. You have to do base times height, right? That is the parallelogram. And whenever you have to calculate the area of parallelogram, you have to do base times height, right? 3 times 4. So the area of this parallelogram is 8 square miles. So the correct option is 8 square miles. Option number one is the correct option, right? Okay, what is the area of the shaded region? That is a triangle. So you need to calculate the area of triangle. We know that the area of triangle is half times base times height. That is 10 times 11 times 1 over 2. Correct option is 55 square kilometers. Correct option is 55. Option number two is the correct option. Got it? Okay, what is the area? So which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is Six, option number two is the correct option. Very good. Okay, what is the area? That is a triangle, right? We have to use a formula that is half times base times height. So which is the correct option? That is 170, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson and the next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is area of trapezoid. So let's just see how do we calculate the area of trapezoids, right? Okay, you are given a trapezoid. You have to calculate the area. What is the area of the trapezoid? Let's just see how do we calculate. Okay, so the trapezoid has two bases, right? This is base 2 inch. This one is a base, and this one is a base, right? So the trapezoid has two bases. You have to use the formula that is half times height and the sum of the bases, right? Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Let's just see how do we solve. Okay, so the trapezoid has two bases. This is 3 centimeter, this is 9 centimeter, right? The formula to calculate the area of trapezoid is half times height times you need to add both the bases. So that is 1 over 2. Height is 10. The first base is 9, the second is 3. So that is 9 times 10 is 120 and 120 divided by 2 is 60. So the area is 60 square centimeter. Got it? The correct option is 60 square centimeter, right? Option number 2 is the correct option. Let's just calculate the area of trapezoid, right? The trapezoid have two bases. They are 2 centimeter and 7 centimeters. So the formula is half times height. Height is 10. And the sum of the base 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 times 10 is 90. So 1 over 2 times 90 equals 45. So that is 45 square centimeter. Got it? So the correct option is 45. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Okay, the next one is, what is the area? So you just do the calculation and write the answer in the chat box. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 4. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? Yes, the correct option is 32. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, what is the area? So which is the correct option? Yes, 40 square miles. The correct option is option number 2. Okay, what is the area? Which is the correct option? Yes, 18. The correct option is option number 1. Okay, what is the area? Which is the correct option? Correct option is option number two is the correct option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. We'll be working on that. Chapter we're working on is area and parameter. The lessons we have covered today are parameter, area of rectangles and squares, area of parallelograms and triangles, and the one we just finished is area of trapezoids, right? So please make sure for the next session you can complete all the practice questions or the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 30 or either you can join the session that will be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So that's all for today. If you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any.